Alright, welcome back to another video. So today's video we're going to be changing out the tension spring on this John Deere zero turn. It's a Z335E is the model. So a problem that you may run into with this mower is that this tension spring can break off, just like you see here on this one. And according to John Deere, they had a bad batch of these springs that were made in China, subpar metals. So with this mower, this spring was breaking pretty much every other time the grass was cut. So it's not a real hard job to replace it, but there is just a few little tricks to make it easy. That way you're not fighting it the whole time. So that's what I'm going to show you today. All right, so the first step is to drop the deck. So grab this, that pin. I'll go ahead and lower the deck all the way down. That way we have some room to see what we're doing. Come around over here to the driver's side to see the problem. So the spring applies tension to this pulley, which tightens the belt assembly up. All right, so if you look right here, you can see this little channel. The spring will go in here like this, into that channel, and then it will connect over here to this. And if you look with the belt on, it seems like this is basically an impossible task because there's a huge distance and there's no way to pull this spring far enough to hook it. So the trick is to go over here to the back and actually take the belt off the pulley, and it will allow this to move much further, and then you can reach back and try to slip the pulley over the belt. So here under the back, again, like I said, just pop the belt off like that. So now it's much easier. Slip the belt in. Alright, so we've got it on there. Now we just gotta go to the back and get that pulley pulled into place. So back here we're grabbing a belt. I'm gonna use a screwdriver so I don't get my fingers caught. Alright, it's on. So if you have someone that can help you up front, relieve the tension, it helps, but you can do it yourself. Just keep your fingers out of the belt and use a screwdriver to pull it into place. So again, here's how it looks when it's in place correctly. Alright, that's all there is to it. So the video helped you out. Be sure to like it. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. There'll be a link in the description where you can get the updated part from John Deere. Until next time, we'll see you later.